Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this week, Microsoft rolled out the latest Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2, which is KB5077181. I posted on the update. I'll leave the video link. Quite a lot going on in that update. Now, just to let you know that there are unconfirmed reports regarding system instability that the update is causing. Now, I say unconfirmed because Microsoft has not confirmed any of these issues we are going to talk about in this video today as official known issues. This is just according to reports doing the rounds online and on different social media platforms. So this could be limited to a small subset of users, but nonetheless, just keeping you guys posted like I like to do on the channel. Now, first of all, there are reports that 5077181 is causing boot loops and login failures, with one user claiming over on social media that their PC rebooted more than 15 times before reaching a broken login screen, and multiple systems were also reportedly affected by the same issue. And during login attempts, there's also a system event notification service error that appears, stating that a specific procedure could not be found. This error prevents you from accessing the desktop entirely, basically locking you out of your system. So causes boot loops and login failures. And then the next one is we have network problems that have also been reported, with some users saying that they have lost internet connectivity, even though their devices still show an active Wi-Fi connection. And the issue apparently looks like it's tied to DHCP errors that prevent the system from obtaining a valid IP configuration that results in no usable internet access despite being connected to a network. And then thirdly and finally, we have installation failures with error codes such as 0x800F0983 and 0x800F0991. And it has been noted that trying to use repair command lines like SFC scan now using the command prompt or the Windows PowerShell are not having too much joy either in trying to resolve any of these issues mentioned today. But if the negatives are outweighing the positives, then obviously the recommendation is to uninstall the update. And you can do this by heading to your Windows Update history page, heading down to the bottom, clicking on Uninstall Updates, find the relevant update, click on Uninstall, and then uninstall the update from your system, restart your system, and then you would have to pause the update. Because if you don't pause it, it'll just try to reinstall itself automatically because it is a mandatory security update. So, as mentioned, these are unconfirmed reports. But let me know down below, are you experiencing any of the issues with this update that I've mentioned today in this video? I'd be interested to hear how wide these problems are. And obviously, if I get any more info or Microsoft acknowledges any of these issues officially or rolls out any fixes or out-of-band updates, I'll keep you guys in the loop and let you know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.